Okay, folks, here we are, end of week 7. Flowers are coming along nicely. Looking freaking good, man. Let's get a look. Center one is not liking life too much at the moment. Most of that is just because I keep letting it dry out too much between watering. And it's giving way to senescence anyway. It's wrapping up its cycle. The leaves may or may not be due to either fert burn or a light burn, because it's pushing 900 there in the center, almost 1,000 far. All these other girls are looking young. Coming along nicely. This one's turning purple. Another week to 2 weeks for most of these girls. Look at those buds, man. Looking good, looking good. That one's especially looking yummy. And this big old girl's doing really well. See how close it let me get. Not very. Yeah, there she be. Oh, her glory. Looking tasty as hell. Okay. I think tomorrow's probably going to be watering day. Everything else is looking good. The old Spiderfarmer 10 is performing nicely. I really like it. I hope someday they contact me and offer me something, for giving them a shout out all the time. Some extra equipment would be nice. Okay, so that's it for that one. And the big reveal. There's our new veg tent. All set up with lights. Looking good. I've got it on at the moment. Just got it all set up and hooked up there the other day before yesterday. She's ready to go. I'm going to be vegging all garden plants in there. Get my spring seed started for the vegetable garden. Sprout all my girls. Well, it's time to do switchovers on the flowering tent. Between, I start all my indoor garden plants, tomatoes, peppers, turbots, everything that needs to be started on a warm temperature, and it goes on the mat, and they grow really nice under that light. And then I have a mini greenhouse outside that's kind of a staging area to keep them warm and growing till they're ready to be planted. Plus I have a full-size outdoor greenhouse that I plant all my tomatoes and some of my girls in. This is my work desk. It's a little cluttered at the moment. On top of, everything else that I do, I'm also an artist, so I do watercolors and charcoal drawings and pastels and craziness. It's been a year or so now. I've been slowly trying to organize this room, and we're almost there. But thanks for your time, folks. As they say in YouTube land, like and subscribe if you're feeling so, and Thanks again. I'll talk to you soon.